Hey, it's Henry here. In this video, I'm gonna quickly show you how you can start your free 30-day trial to Getresponse. So if you head to getresponse.com, or if you click my link in the video's description or in the comments, it will bring you to their homepage. And here, if you click Start Free Trial or Sign Up Free, you can start your free trial. You could also click Pricing and check out the features first, and then on that page click the Start Free Trial button. But I'm just gonna click this one here. So when you start your free 30-day trial, you don't need a credit card, so that's a great thing. So there's no risk involved because you don't have to worry about when do I have to cancel this, because they won't bill you because they don't have your credit card or debit card on file. And on the 30-day free trial, they ask for your name, your email address, and your password, and then you can activate your account. So what's included in the free trial? Well, you can send as many emails as you want, newsletters, and you can set up your autoresponder, and you have space up to 1,000 contacts, so you can't have more than this on the trial. You can also use landing pages. There are lots of templates, and you can also build them from scratch. There's automation, so you can set up like that your autoresponder emails your list on a specific time and date. There's also, you can do webinars on the trial. You can do web forms and surveys. You get some advanced analytics and testing tools, and automated sales, lead, and webinar funnels as well. So when you enter these details here and click Activate Account, Getresponse will send you an email to you on the address that you put here. And the email will look like this. So it will say, almost done. Click the blue button below to activate your new Getresponse account. And then you just click Activate My Account. And you have 30 days when you can do this. So you can activate your account within 30 days of receiving this email. Once you click it, you are then on your way to the trial. So then you have completed all the steps that are required. And Getresponse will also email you during your trial, and they will send you some information, and this is one of these emails. So the first one, what they will send, that your free trial ends in 30 days, and they also have an upgrade now button here where you can upgrade your plan. And once your trial is ending, they will also say that, hey, your trial is ending today. Do you want to continue? If you upgrade now, you'll still be able to send new emails, collect more contacts, run drip campaigns, host webinars, and so on. So during your trial, they will also want you to upgrade. So they will send some emails to you as well. So it's really easy to start the trial. I'll quickly show you how your dashboard looks like. Right now, I'm in one of my demo accounts, and on this account the trial has expired. And here are some quick actions. We could create a form easily, or newsletter, or landing page. We could add contacts. We could create an autoresponder, and you can actually switch these places. Or let's say that you don't want these tips and tricks on the first page. You could also delete it from here as well. And here's tips and tricks. They have a webinar coming up very soon where we could join the webinar on how to create really good automated emails. And here we can go to our list, we can go to our reports, we can see our drafts. Here we could create a newsletter and so on. And once you are in your trial, they don't ask for your credit card. And if you want to upgrade, you could go to your account, you could go to billing, and from there on you could add your credit card details and switch the plan you want to go for. So when you start your trial, it doesn't really matter which trial you start, because they have 3 different plans the basic plan, the plus plan, and the professional plan where you can start your trial. But it doesn't really matter because you get all the features in your trial. You can have 1,000 contacts, and afterwards your trial ends. You can add your billing details and switch to a lower costing plan, or you could go for a higher costing plan. So it doesn't matter which one you choose when you start your trial. So that's a really quick video on how to start your free trial on Getresponse. I have the link in the video's description. It is an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps to support this channel. So if you want to use that, you can go ahead, or you could go to getresponse.com and start the trial from here as well. Thanks for watching.